Good morning, good morning. Welcome to the London session live streams again. Here we are. Good morning. Doing some music. Looking at pound yen for a moment. Let me turn this on. Pound yen seems like it wants to drop. It's coming up towards this zone right here. Pull a line right over here. The 1 hour candle closed pretty well, but it did close at that support area, even though it's going down right now. So yeah, let's see. Let's see what it wants to do. It's dropping gradually, so support wise there's some supports coming up, but looks overall pretty good. Let's see. Looking, trying to get share vision to run, but it doesn't really want to start. Let this one start. Should be good. Okay. So pound yen, I'm trying to move this thing up instead of down. Just like 10 pips. Go. I think it's able to come back towards the open of that 1 hour candle. I think it is. At least a little bit higher. Good morning, Jessica. Yeah, just busy with a lot of stuff the past couple of weeks. Yeah, it seems like it doesn't really want to go. Jim make move because of news 1 hour ago. Yes. Yeah, I'm looking for price to be able to pull back up after that. It was minor news though, but let's see. I do see price coming back up from the moment it started falling there. so should be good. Pull the 15-minute breaker. Yeah. Yeah, I was waiting for gold. I was waiting actually to do this, but I was just too late to get in. Happened a couple minutes ago. I was looking for sells over here. The first sells I got taken out of break even. GJ also continuing. Gold is really faking out right now. Yeah, it does it many times. You can see it created 1 hour resistance. It just went up to take all the buyers in. And now it's taking out all the stop losses. And then it's going to do it again. GJ is dropping right now. It's coming up towards this support right here. And then you got a support here at 585 as well. But it might drop even further down after this bullish move. If it doesn't respect these levels, I am looking for price to come back towards these highs right here. Because it could have also been a little bit of news that this, so let's see. Should be good, I think. Again, checks again, got another entry. Like 50-50 right on GJ. Oh. Might be a little retest. Closing this shit. But yes, there we go. Sorry, I was a little bit focused. Good morning, everyone. What your buys for this week? Let's check it all out. Gold-wise, I am looking personally. I was thinking about sells more, especially with this this monthly candle closing below this area right here. We had a couple retests based on news and stuff. Oh my god. Did I close at the right moment? Yeah, I did. Yeah, I bought GJ for a moment. Even said it, I've got another position. Yeah, I'm bearish right now for this week. And the reason also why is because, well, it's not strong bearish. Like it's more of like a consolidation week. Be careful with GJ nasty ranging. No, there's no range. It's just, oh man, I should have held this shit. I got like a position, it was like somewhere right here or something. Oh damn, that was flying. I don't care. I made enough anyways. So, what I was looking at myself is if we remove everything for a moment, you have this consolidation area on gold. We had this fake out to the top side. Candles closed above this level. Price tried the fake out, did the fake out, and then closed below this area right here, below that 62 area, which we know from the past already has been a very strong level. If you look already, you see all these wicks coming up towards these levels, right? Candle closed below. This candle respected these candles. Candle tapped inside, rejected from this area and closed bearish. And now we have this candle. Now the only problem for this candle that tapped away from this support at 51. Right, oh my god. At 51, right? So there is a chance that we might range in between this zone for the rest of this week. Now there is news coming up this week, and there is a CPI and some other things, so it might wait for retail sales and those things to burst out. It could continue 100%. Like I do see price going to 26, 22, around that, somewhere here, easily. Move all of this for a moment. Oh. Right, I do see it coming there easily. You see this daily candle, previous daily close bearish. This one broke the high, and you can see the reason why I actually wanted to sell at 62, but my stupid ass was too early. I got out of break even. Is this candle tapped right here in towards that resistance. This resistance was crucial. On the lower time frames, looks like, hey, we got clean traffic up, right? The weekly, we're tapping in this weekly zone, so sell any day over here, any day. Because if you just sold based on this daily resistance right here, because it tapped right in daily resistance, you'd be up. How much now? Like 30, 35 pips. So take note of those crucial zones. You can see here also on the lower time frame, 12-hour resistance, rejection candle resistance, 11-hour. It's even clearer. In the 11-hour, it's a break and retest, right? This was all bullshit, right? This was just NFP, and you can see price got corrected pretty quickly, right? As you can see here, we have this move coming down, right? And then we had this candle close bearish, this candle close bullish, candle close bearish, and then this candle bearish, and then all of a sudden this huge bullish candle faking out from the downside, closing above that resistance, right? It pretty much closed above this zone, which was a break of structure. So price retested here on the lower time frames with this wick down and this body retest over here. And after that, price was like, no, we're still going down, right? So price decided to print one more bearish candle that broke the trend again, like literally again. So trend got broken, fake out, trend got broken again. And now we had to wait for a retest for continuation moving further down, right? If you look here on this time frame, we had this breakout, continuation down. This should have been the retest, but this was NFP and some crazy shit happened, right? Price pulled up and price got back down. And the important thing about this is that you can see that most of the times price will correct the move of the news. Here on GJ as well, price did a corrected move over here at 8 o'clock. It's going up right now. We just broke structure, right? I was in buys from over here. Now what's important to note is that we got down one more time, so a lower leg, and this candle tapped right in towards the daily resistance, 11-hour retest area, 12-hour resistance, weekly resistance, and on and on and on. Continue moving down again, right? So that's important to note. So we're looking for sells. Now I do see maybe, and like you can see that on the lower time frame, it's gonna form the wick. So in a 1 hour time frame, that's the wick to get in. Now maybe on the 5 minute or the 15-minute time frame at 60 or 61.3, this became a little retest area. This over here, so maybe you could start looking for sells over here with stops over here, but those are obvious stops and they know your stops might be sitting over there, so they might get tapped. So the best is always to enter over here somewhere. But this is second option because we just broke structure, right? You can see the bullish momentum from here, bullish momentum, breakout, break of structure, fake out to the top, range, tap of support, go up, fake out to the top side, a continuation down directly at London Open. And you can say again, like, hey, London Open came, right? This was 15 minutes before London Open. Now, I was selling somewhere, I think it was right here. Plug in profit and then back out, right? Was pretty much like, what was it? Like 8.5 pips and boom, out, right? It is what it is. And what's important to note is that you can see every time, and I was myself the stupid one on this one because I should have just waited. But break even is break even, right? It doesn't really matter. You can see that price started coming down, and it started respecting the support with this rejection wick right over here. The moment this candle went down and it flipped up was the moment you know that price was gonna reverse and it was gonna do something different than you wanted to do. So that's the reason also I got out. Then this kind of closed without a top wick, but decided to continue up because it was London Open. Because you gotta understand, right? I know there were a lot of people like me selling over here. Like, I usually never sell over here, but I saw the opportunity, so I was like, let's grab it, right? Let's try it anyways. And I know a lot of people were selling over here, and these were the pre-sells right here. Pre-sells, trying to get you in those sells, because you can see on the lower time frames as well. You can see on the 30-minute time frame. On the previous strategy I traded, this was where you would have entered sells. Now that's the dumbest thing you can do, right? You want to be in at least above that 61 area at least. So it got all these sell stops, got all the sell stops in. You continue moving down to 58 and lower, right? Got all the sell stops in. Everybody's in now. And now they need to push price back up to take everybody out and get themselves in, because you can see exactly at London Open, right? They take you out. They come up to the desk, pull that price up, pull the price up, right? 9 a.m. highest moment, the highest price of that time. And you can see the next candle, even though it's a very strong 5-minute bullish candle that's engulfing the previous candles, it's only there to take you in, because what it does, it takes all these sellers in over here, takes all the stop losses out over here and over here, takes all the buyers in over here, yeah, takes all the buyers in over here, takes all the stop loss of the buyers out over here, and they're in themselves going down. You see it happening every day, every single day. You see the same thing. They push price a certain way. Now sometimes there's a very hard trend, so it's not every single day, but like 7 out of 10 days you you see it happening, where they push price a certain way, where it's actually not gonna go, right? First those sells fake out, buys fake out, and then continuation down. So the only thing you need to do is wait for a retest at this area or this area to get into sells, to have a normal stop, because your stop loss is what it's going to be from here to here. It's going to be around 14 pips, and from here would be around 20 pips, right? Now I would want to get in a little bit higher, so somewhere over here instead of over here. But there's a chance that it's only going to go over here. GJ wise, that was a crazy push. Where did it actually go up in the end of the day? 20. Savage. Huh. My experience is the first leg has a lower chance to win. Yeah, because the second leg, right? It's going to be that retest of this area somewhere here, and you know that the second leg is always going to be bigger. Otherwise, price isn't able to form lower lows and lower highs, right? Because eventually, this is the lower low. Price needs to come back up somewhere here or somewhere here to form the lower high, and then to continue moving down towards previous levels like 55 or this area over here, and price just needs to form that lower high, I mean, to form that new lower low again. And that new lower low is most of the time going to be bigger. Now, I do always like to be in at the top of the first leg because normally it doesn't really go back to the top of the first leg. GJ wise, came up to a buying area on the 30-minute time frame. You can see this 30-minute time frame had price pulling up, resistance, support, resistance, break of resistance, retest, continuation, back to support, right? And a continuation up. Now you can probably wait for a retest of this area somewhere here to take sells, but I would be careful. Because you don't really want to get that candle to pull up that far anyways. Maybe in the 1 hour time frame you can see that pull back up towards 154 flat and then continuation down to retest the low. But let's see. This candle's pulling back up hard. I'm not gonna touch it myself. I'm fine with what I got already. I just have to wait for the tap and continuation down. Your thoughts on EJ? I will take a look in a minute. Let's I haven't even invited everyone to my Zoom yet. Oh my days. What's that? There you go. That here. There you go. And there you see the retest. You see that 5 minute also. 5 minute went up without bottom wick, and now it's making that bottom wick. Yeah, I put it in Slack, chat. I put it in Slack. Give me one moment.
Good morning.
Yo, Shaz, how are you, man?
What's happening? I've been hunting for your Zoom link.
It's
I had to resort to the gulag.
gone. No, it's still there, but I was just focused on something. So, focusing on a trade I was in. So, actually took a trade on GJ.
Oh, did you?
Yeah, it was a long time ago since I did that. But I was like, I saw that's like I need to take it.
I'm in a small position on gold. So
Sales, where from?
I've literally just got into it. I got in late. It's entered on this 5-minute candle, rejecting the yeah.
Yeah, it should be good, man. It should be good because this is a retest area as well. Now I would look myself to get into this box. So if you got into this wick, then you're good.
Yeah, literally.
Line will be on point if it just dumps from here though. Look at the line.
Yeah. So I got filled at 17.65.99.
Oh, that's pretty good. That's okay.
Yeah. First target is 17.56.766.
That's okay. That's okay. I would look. What? 56.6. First target. Oh shit. Okay. I ain't saying much.
Nah.
Okay.
They got quiet. I was thinking 1758.55, but
That's what I would do personally. 1758.7, 50% closure, and then leave the rest run till 56, and then leave 25% run to 52.
all right, cool.
Then you're gonna
Makes
create
sense.
some passive income in that.
Yeah,
I mean,
makes
this
sense.
5 minute closure should be good. This 1 minute is pulling back up a little bit, but you can see in the 1 minute again, the 1 minute started to form bullish structure from here, right? Bullish,
Mhm.
and then continuation, bullish, continuation, retest, continuation, and then yeah, there's support being broken over here. So it should retest this area. It could go a little bit higher, but it's okay. 5 minutes going to close bearish, most likely. This kind of close without a top wick. And now it should continue moving down towards these lows again. Retest the lows, and then continue moving further with this second leg. Now, there's also still a probability that we're going to retest this line over here because this was the official break of structure area, right? And
Yep.
most of the time, price does want to come back towards the official break of structure area, right? So it's a beautiful. Alright, man.
Good, bro. It's good.
Yeah, pretty good, pretty good. What you been up to?
Not much, man.
Huh?
The bankers are officially back.
Is your what? Your wife?
Yeah.
Oh shit.
Bummer.
Oh my god. My days. I'm gonna close bearish, right? Yeah. You in sales, AJ?
I've been in sales.
Nice. Where from?
I've been in sales. All I've been looking at is sales.
Yes, same. Same here.
I've had positions on my sales. I'll just keep adding positions to sales. So I have positions at
82.
1803, 1803,
Ooh, I
1804.
was close.
I have positions at 1861,
61, okay.
1864, 1817, 1778.
Shit.
78. Oh
You're
shit.
killing it, man. You're killing it.
Goddamn, boy. That's something like right here.
Yeah. Here, I'll send you a picture of my.
Sure.
Let's look. Look. This was last week. This was the close last week. I'm still holding these positions. With London. This was
Wait,
oh, what's up? But this was a position.
That's pretty good.
This is a new account that I started with $100.
Bruv, those are small lots, but oh my days, those are some returns right there. Holy shit. Holy fuck.
You just keep adding positions, bro. That's all it is.
That's... Oh my days. That's crazy.
You just keep adding positions and holding it. I started this account, I would say like 3 weeks ago.
Yeah, bro.
With $100. With $100.
Yeah, that's mad.
What is it now?
Can I say it?
Yeah, go ahead.
10,000.
Shut up. No way. What, 3
Bro,
weeks ago?
yes, there's this balance is 3,180. Yep. Open positions running a profit in 7,000. Literally, nearly one position is his full balance.
You're smashing it, bro. You're killing it.
No, it's literally easy. Just like I've been telling everybody, like, why would you look for buys when the higher time frame is telling you sells?
Yeah,
Exactly. Yeah,
like
exactly.
why? Yeah. So the higher time frame is telling you sells. Even the weekly last week, it closed bearish, below support, below resistance. So like any push up is going to be short lived.
Yeah,
yep.
Literally.
Makes
It's gonna
sense.
be retesting down again.
Yeah, exactly.
Bro, I need to learn how you hold like that, man. That's crazy.
Bro, this is like a fucking account, so like I don't care. You know?
Bro, that's mad though. That's mad.
Yeah, now I'm gonna make this one to 100K. Now that's the next goal.
Yeah, that's gonna be easy from now.
Yeah, dude, you understand how
That's
hard it
from
is?
100 to
I
1,000
started
is the
with
same.
0.01s. I started out with 0.01s.
Yeah, mad.
Yeah.
Crazy. Now it's only 10x. You already went like how many x's? Fucking good times.
Yeah, from $100.
Yeah.
You get bored. Like I got bored, so I was like, let me challenge myself.
Well,
So
let's
getting
see.
bored of making money.
Nah, bruv, you need to go from $100 account to 1 million.
Yeah.
You know what?
Let's
That's an
do that.
achievement.
I'll do that. Let me first get to 100K. Once I get to 100K, 1 million is easy.
Yeah, because it's the same from 10K to 100K again.
Exactly.
It was probably harder from 100 to the 10,000.
To 100 to 10,000 was the hardest.
Yeah.
But once I got to 3,000, it was easier.
Yeah.
It was the positions in the beginning where you had to do 0.01s or you'd blow your account. If you do like,
yeah.
if I did a 0.50 on $100 account, I would have blown it.
Easy.
Like right away.
Yeah, that's 50% risk straight away.
Yeah, and then my broker doesn't allow you to go and draw down more than 50% of your account. So if I went in to draw down $60,
yeah,
that would have closed out the trade.
But does it then only close out the trade, or does it also like blow your account that you? That
No,
is...
only it closes the trade out, and you're left with half your equity, or half your balance.
Yeah.
It's like a protection type of thing, because like if you don't have that, you blow your account.
Easy blow up. It's crazy though. Well, I just like fuck it trades like
Exactly, that's literally fucking trades. Like that's all I'm doing right now. But you should try it, Luke. It'll be a lot easier.
Yeah. I just need to learn how to hold longer. That's the problem.
Like at this point, like right now, I'm not attached to this money, you know?
Yeah.
Like the money that's there, like it's just profits. So if I lose it, it's whatever. I only invested $100.
Facts.
So
I just need to learn how to hold longer, but close too early.
Yeah, I noticed that too with your trades, because like you'll enter pretty much almost the same positions that I enter.
I get out at 10 pips.
You'll get out at 10 pips.
Yeah, it's stupid.
Exactly. You need to get out of that 10 pip mindset, because your entries are different than what they were before. Because before you'd be entering the high, you're entering the low. Exactly. Now you're entering sells at the high.
Yeah, I entered GJ buys over here, right?
Yeah, close that at 10 pips.
Yeah, pretty much. So
I mean, it's still good. I mean, 10 pips is good. Like, but
hey, Luke.
I mean, when you
long time no see.
Long time no see, man. Yeah, 10 pips is good, but it's like there's way more potential, because if it only held, right? If it only held, it would have been twice as much, right?
You guys talking about risk reward?
No, closing early. Closing
early.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Closing position too early.
Yeah,
you know, that's the thing.
And I never do 1-on-1s. Never.
Yeah, it's too dangerous. Like if you lose one time.
Exactly.
You know, you're already gone.
If I win today and then I lose tomorrow, I'm about to break even.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I minimum do 1-2s at least.
I did have a position on gold that I did not really want to close early, but it took me out to break even.
Yeah. I'm just as of right now for me, for gold, I'm just basing my whole bias on the weekly.
Yeah. Yeah, weekly is strong, yeah.
Exactly.
You can also see in the weekly time frame we had this break of structure, go down, retest, and then
you can see how last week candle complete rejection.
Right? Yeah. Imagine this going down to 22. You know?
It probably will.
Yeah.
And the 20th of September week rejected it as well, proper.
Exactly, that's what I was saying.
Oh.
Even the monthly, we had a rejection. We closed below support.
When AJ is confirming my bias, man, I'm happy.
We're gonna hold these positions to 22.
I'm just gonna hold it.
Yeah.
I'm just gonna hold it.
Yeah, makes sense.
I might close the ones that are like as big as my balance, just to get more equity. or
Yeah,
get some more
yeah,
balance.
makes sense.
But the ones that are still in profit, like barely in profit, I'll just leave those.
I mean, those 1803, 1804 ones, they're at
Yeah,
break
those are
even.
good. Of course.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That,
This is not like my actual account. My actual account, I would not have it at break even. But these smaller accounts, you need to have it.
Yeah, the problem with smaller accounts is that you can get closed very quickly by But it probably took pretty long to get from 100 to 200 as well. Because that's 100% growth right there. With small lot size. Yeah, that's pushing. I should have held this thing, man. I could have held at least a 350. Remember bank. Wait, hold up. Oh, you already been there. Holy shit. I now see that second picture, AJ. Oh my god. Holy shit. You're a madman. Slowly going down. You're a pretty good profit right now, Jam. As I mean.
Shaz, yeah, don't get it twisted.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, it's going well.
15.
See, I started up with a £50 account, but I'm not as quick as AJ. I kind of quadrupled it, maybe more than that, over the last month. So,
How much you on with that account now?
I'm at 700 and something now from 50 quid.
That's good, man.
It was
That's
actually
really
the beginning of September.
That's really good.
Yeah, it's not as easy as you think.
No, it was pretty difficult. But I think once you've got over, when you doubled it, I think it's just confidence and stuff. So
yeah, because you got to start off with 0 ones, right?
yeah, I started on less than that. Yeah.
0.01. I mean.
Oh yeah.
Did you only stick to gold on the account flip, or not?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, I got someone asking in the chat.
When you coming to Saudi, Luke?
Yeah. When? Let me know when I'm, because I need to get.
When my flight's booked.
Bro, do I need to get vaccinated for that or not?
Yeah, you have to get vaccinated.
Oh shit, I don't have that.
I'm actually thinking about quitting my job right now.
Why? Get free money, man.
Because they're forcing me to take the vaccine.
Oh shit.
But the country as well wants you to get the vaccine, right?
The whole country wants me to get the vaccine. I'm not allowed to go to any government sector. I'm not allowed to enter any stores. I'm not allowed to enter anything unless I have 2 doses. But like I can deal with that because like everything is delivered. Like I don't really need to go anywhere.
But can't you just, But I think that's not best to say on stream. Yes.
Say it.
Go to, wait, I'm gonna type.
I got a phone call from my job. They're like, "You only took one shot." I was like, "So?" They're like, "You have to take the second shot by Sunday," which was yet 2 days ago. I could not, but it's all wrapped up in the system.
Yeah, but if they just register it, it's not a problem, right?
No doctor would do that because they would literally get jailed. And there's like 500,000 fine.
Yeah.
Isn't there a guy called Dr. X that what's that guy? He kind of gives you kind of vaccine passports and stuff like that. You know Sean Lee. I don't know if
We don't have any of that stuff here,
no.
and we don't have religious exemptions like y'all do.
Oh, is there religious? Is there? I haven't even heard of that.
Oh, in the U.S., bro, everybody's doing that shit in the U.S. They're literally using because the Constitution pretty much says that if it's against your religion, the government can't force you.
Oh, so now everyone else is religious.
Everybody's doing religious exemptions, literally.
But what religion are they using? Because in Islam, you're allowed
Any
to...
religion, somebody used veganism as a religion.
Oh, really?
Bro, I'm vegan. I'm not allowed to take the thing.
Exactly. Like literally, just Google it. Just Google it. Put like religious exemption vaccine.
Yeah,
I got a vaccine passport, but I don't know about the vaccine itself.
Like, the US now it's like saying like they're trying to do what we're doing here, where like you have to get vaccinated or whatever. So a lot of jobs are forcing their employees to take the vaccine shot. So they found a loophole where they're getting religious exemptions.
Yeah, I
That's
got
crazy,
no time for
man.
that vaccine thing, bro. There's no one dying over it, man. What do you mean? If you look at the numbers, like it might be a little rough for some people.
Yeah,
and I understand if you don't like what I just said, but if you look at the numbers over here, bruv, nothing.
I had a whole argument with one of my employees the other day, or one of my coworkers the other day, about the vaccine, and she was like, "Why aren't you taking it?" I was like, "It's not proven." I was like, "You're just a doctor,
rat."
Right? I was like, "You're a doctor, right? You base your things on facts and science and all that, right?" And she was like, "Yeah." I was like, "Where's the evidence-based thing that says that this thing works?" She was like, "There isn't any. It's coming." I was like, "All right, it's coming. Let you be the guinea pig."
Yeah,
right?
fucking hell, the rat, the fucking mouse in that little cage,
right?
in the thing. Yo, bruv, I wouldn't even be surprised, and this beat might be a little bit hard for people as well. Imagine that, like, let's say we're 15 or 20 or 25 years later, and all of a sudden those vaccines that got taken have,
Side effects.
What?
Side effects.
Side effects, yeah. Instead, like everyone turns blind or whatever the fuck happens. I don't know. What could happen with that? You don't know on the long term what happens with that vaccine.
My whole theory was, my whole argument was, it's not a vaccine. Because like of Ebola, right? For example, there's an Ebola shot. So there's a vaccine. You take it one time and that's it.
Yeah.
Right. This is more like a flu shot.
Yeah.
Right?
It is.
You take your flu shot every year.
Yeah, but what's in the flu shot? Who knows what's in there? Everyone just blindly takes it.
It's the virus, a smaller dose of the virus that gives your body, ample time to fight it or whatever. It's a weaker dose of the virus, so it gives your body like antibodies to fight it or whatever. But I was like, this is more of a shot. It's not a vaccine. They shouldn't be calling it a vaccine.
Yeah. So okay, we've got someone in the chat. I got COVID and I went away 4 days. No one can make money off petrol. I work in the military here in the UAE. We have taken 4 doses now.
Fuck.
Shit. I don't know how long you're gonna be alive.
Yeah. And then when I was winning the argument with the girl, she went all religious on me. She was like, God, brought this thing to me, so I'm gonna take it.
You're like, bruv, like, yo, can you hand me that thing in that? Can you hand me the thing? No, I got no time for that.
I was like, all right, dude, the conversation's over.
You know what's funny though? You see all these conspiracy type people with the flags and that, but what's happening right now over here? Those things are coming true right now. Like a year ago. Look, YouTube's gonna ban your channel. Yeah, I know. But like a year ago, they were like, yeah, we ain't gonna get no vaccine passports, and we're not gonna do any of that. And you see all these people with the conspiracies, protesting, and they say, it's gonna happen this and that, and all of a sudden it happens. Like, no joke. now like passport. You can't go into any restaurant. You can't go anywhere if you don't have a passport.
Yep.
Of the vaccine. Now, it does not mean that I don't got one, but it's look, for example, the birth of babies that went back going up big time since vaccine. Yeah, I don't know. I've not seen that before, but yeah, it's pretty like, you know, people. The problem is that people watch TV and they watch certain things and they believe everything they see. You know, they believe everything they see and then they just run after it without, you know, blindly. You know, you see even people over here, they feel honored to take the vaccine. And I'm like, bro, are you mad? They, you know, I'm not gonna talk too much about it.
Bunch of dickheads.
Yeah, bro, they're like, if you don't got the vaccine, you're the dickhead in their mind.
Yeah.
You know?
Yeah.
My
The only one I
country,
take is the flu jab because I'm asthmatic, so I just take that. But I don't take nothing else.
I got like that hepatitis A, B, or a C or whatever the D. I don't know. But I got those, and I think those are like 15 years. I think 50 years you need to retake, or those are like I got like the vaccine for like if you go to like China and stuff to not get those things or whatever. Where you going? Like vacation vaccine thing, like malaria and stuff. But I didn't got the rest. People taking a holiday because they don't want to be restricted. Facts. So no stream tomorrow, right? Yeah, there will be stream tomorrow. You know, the thing is, you're allowed to you know, to speak and, you know, even if they do ban that, you know, you got a backup. You can say anytime, just like Roger, he got banned as well by saying the same thing. You know, saying not the same thing, but you know, expressing his the thing he's thinking about. So you're allowed to say that. People all around the world taking the vax, but still restricted. Yeah, you know, the thing is also with the vax that you can still get it. You know, you see people, yeah, this and that, and people without the vaccine are wait, here in Abu Dhabi, if you're not vaccinated, you can't even go inside a mall or a fast food. You will be forever inside the house. Yeah. You know, the thing over here, they say like, you're dangerous if for vaccinated people if you don't have the vaccine. I'm like, bruv, why the fuck do you have the vaccine then? Like, it doesn't make any sense. Why?
Exactly.
Like, an unvaccinated person should be harmless to a vaccinated person, right?
Logically, yeah.
Yes. So, but they seen it the other way around. Facts. They say no one is forced to get the vaccine, but they say no malls or market shops or if you don't have the vaccine. Yeah, that's the thing. They are still forcing it. They say they don't force it, but they're forcing it. That's the thing. All games to get you that thing, and we don't all. No one knows what's inside of it. You know, nobody knows. You still in it? Yes.
Yeah, bro. Yeah, bro. I've taken first. I took a little bit of a profit off, but
Yeah.
my main target is 1756 or 1757. That makes more sense, but
Yeah.
I've taken something off.
We can see at 57 is that in the 5 minute time frame of 57 we had that break of structure right here, 57 degree.
Yeah.
So the push up, break of structure continuation. On GJ, I should have hold this shit, man. Oh my god, I'm stupid. You know how much I would have made if I helped this him bank.
It's all Gucci. I just can't trade GJ no more. I just know I just can't.
Yeah, it's shit pair. Oh, look at that drop, Shaz.
Yeah.
Making bank.
Let's
Yeah.
go.
Yo, but that level was a point though.
Yeah.
It made.
You have to keep in mind the area that we rejected, at like the 60, 62, 50 area or whatever. That's
Yeah.
a weekly zone.
Yeah, I was
Right.
on the daily as well. You can see daily resistance right there. You got 4-hour resistance right over here to the left. This was new, so I don't look at that. I was actually
Yeah.
wanting to sell right there, but I was just too late because if you look in the 1 minute time frame, that open. I was looking at GJ, and the moment I looked at GJ, away from GJ, this happened already, and then I was like, yeah, okay, never mind.
Yeah.
Could have still gotten in, but
It's all good. You could have gone in right here. You could have gone in right here with this 1 minute retest right there.
Yeah. But I already made like, you're like 2.5%, nearly 3%.
So AJ, do you reckon this vaccination stuff in Saudi they're gonna relax a little bit next year? Because I'm looking to go Umrah.
No, it's never gonna get relaxed. You have to take your vaccines in order to come here.
When you come into Dubai.
Dubai, you don't have to take your vaccines to go to Dubai. You just have to prove that you're not
you need to get that test.
You're not positive, right? You gotta take your test or whatever before you go.
Do you think they're gonna make it also in Dubai that you have to get it?
I don't know, because Dubai is like, it has a lot of different ethnicities that live there, and like I don't know if they can please everybody, right? Whereas here, is different. Because like if you come to Umrah or you come to Hajj, you're talking about at least like a couple million people that are like, at least a lot of people come here, right? Yeah. So they want people to get vaccinated, or to at least be vaccinated.
That's annoying, man. No, I'm gonna get vaccinated then, because I want to go Umrah next year.
Yeah.
I would wait till next year then, until like the moment you're gonna go there.
Yeah,
because maybe they say like next year, like, oh, you don't need it anymore.
Nah, they won't.
Is it that bad?
They won't. They really won't. Because like here, it's really to that point right now where literally you can't do anything. You cannot do anything. Like if I get pulled over, for example, or I get stopped at like a security checkpoint, and they figure out that I'm not fully vaccinated, they can give me a ticket.
How high is the ticket?
But it's a decent price.
Because it's not even low.
I would say at least $1,000.
No way, serious? Yeah. It's alright for you, not for me.
If crossing a red light here is around
jail time,
$700 fine. $700 fine for the first time. Second time it's $1,400.
Oh,
and
my
then the
God.
third time you get your license suspended with a $2,000 fine, and I think it's like a overnight jail time.
How much is like if you drive like 50 kilometers too fast?
Oh, so like they have it 10 to 20 over, 20 to 30 over, and then 30 to 40 over. So it's different. So like 10 to 20 over, it's really not that much. It's like 150 riyals. So it's like divided by 3, which is around, I don't know, like $30 something for going 10 over.
Oh, I would just blast.
They don't take speeding as seriously as they do red lights.
But if you go like, but red lights hella dangerous, man.
What about points and stuff? Do you get points if you jump a red?
No, we don't have the whole point system. No.
How much
Yeah,
if you go like 100 kilometers above or 50 kilometers above then?
Oh, you probably get fucked up. You get your car impounded.
Oh shit!
shit.
Yeah.
And that's the same in Dubai.
Dubai is worse than here.
Yeah, because they
Dubai
got
is
those cameras like every 20 meters, right?
everywhere. We're starting to become like that. Like we have cameras everywhere. I got a fine for holding my phone while driving, and I
Okay.
have no idea how or where it was. Like I just literally I know where all the cameras are, right?
Yeah.
And this one I don't know, right? Apparently now we have drones that are flying in the air giving people tickets.
Have you seen that? Yeah.
You can shoot them down and then they're gone, and then you don't have to worry anymore.
Yeah, shoot them down and then you get fucked.
Oh my days! Yeah,
on,
that's
on the phone,
crazy.
if we get caught over the phone, we get 6 points and a fine. I don't know how much the fine is, but you get 6 points.
Here it's you pay big money for fines as well. I never get tickets, bro. I drive too fast, but I don't really drive that fast. But
All right,
most of the time I drive too
don't say it.
fast.
Don't drink yourself.
But I already tapped it off.
Yeah,
But
touch
normally
wood.
I never get tickets,
Lou's gonna
right?
get a ticket today.
Yeah, maybe, bro. I have to go somewhere as well. So so normally I never get tickets, right? But I was driving home this one time when I was still working at Lexus, and it was like late at night, and I only drove like six kilometers too fast, and it like if you get the like it was just a camera that was always there, so that was even dumber for me. But um and the ticket was I think was like 50 euros. And it was only like with the things off, it was only like 3 kilometers too fast or 4 kilometers too fast or something.
Yeah.
And then you
So,
also
like,
have
here-
to pay administration and shit.
Yeah. So here is you have 10%. So whatever the speed limit is, you can go above it 10%.
Yeah, you can go above 10% without having any issues, right?
But if you go like 11%, you're fucked.
Yeah, they should do the
Right?
same here.
But then there are certain streets here that you can go 140, right? But if you go 141, you'll get a ticket because like that's like the breaking point. Like that's the highest you can go.
Yeah.
Right? If you go 141, then you'll get a ticket for speeding.
Do you secure some more, Shams, or do you hold it?
Just hold it, bro. Just hold that
Yeah.
shit.
I haven't even got break even yet. I've taken my major first take profit, but I'm leaving it now.
This
Does what it
motherfucker's gonna
does.
go down to 20s, bro. I'm telling you, just hold it.
Yeah, it makes sense. My second take profit is 1750 flat.
It's 20 kilometers above in Dubai. Okay.
Depends. I think it depends on how fast. I think it's the same system as here.
But if you go on those highways in Dubai, there's like cameras like every meter, right? But why the hell would you buy a fast car if there's meters everywhere? That's stupid, right? Why the hell would you buy
it?
what?
A lot of people just pay it. Like I'll tell you, like for example, like my father-in-law, he has a fast car, right? And he just pays the ticket. I remember I was driving with him from Dubai to Sharjah,
Yeah.
which is like I don't know, you know Sharjah. It's a different like state or whatever you want to call it. It's like a different province or whatever. And you have to take the highway, right, to get to that. And he was just literally blasting that shit 200. And he was just going. And every 5 minutes, you just get a flash.
Bro, if he
like,
comes
yo,
down
what are you doing?
2,000, I'm
What
going
are
to
you doing?
shit.
He's like, I'll just pay it later. It's like, whatever. Just pay it later. It's like, all right.
Alrighty.
I was like, let me drive on the way back.
What car was it, by the way?
He has a Porsche 911.
Damn.
Yeah, I saw this one video with a guy at a Ferrari in Dubai as well, just blasting through the city, and he also had like a couple thousand in fines.
Yeah.
Also, this guy, I heard about this story about this guy. This guy went on vacation in Dubai, and he rented, I think it was like a Lamborghini or something for like a week, and he had like how much? 40,000, 50,000, or even more. I don't know how much it was. How much was it?
No, so like there's a loophole. So the Saudi cars in Dubai, there is no link, right? They don't have like a link system. So people that take their cars or ship their cars to Dubai from Saudi, they literally just fucking fly because they'll get a ticket, but they won't be able to process it because they don't have access to the information based on the license plate.
Yeah. He totally paid. It's a lot though. He paid total 42,000 euros in fines.
Oh shit. Oh, shit. That's somebody's yearly salary, man.
Shit.
Now the thing is, does y'all stuff get doubled?
Yeah, it does here. If you
Yeah,
don't
it does
pay,
here
if
as
you don't
well.
pay in 14
Yeah,
days,
easy.
Yeah, so
Here
like
too.
here it gets doubled. Like by the end of the month, if you don't pay, it's doubled. So imagine somebody having like imagine the guy having 42,000 and then having to pay double that if you didn't pay it.
But I don't think the guy is paid yet. The problem is that, like, the car is standing somewhere, but the guy's not paying, I think. And because he's not paying,
They'll
the
impound
rent,
the car.
yeah, but the rental company is not able to, like, get the car back because otherwise they have to pay the fine.
Oh, so he just chilling.
He's just chilling. He ain't paying shit. There's even a lot of damage on that thing, man. The front split, front bumper is absolutely gone.
Yeah, that's horrible.
Paint, there's no paint anymore on that. Just a rear count. He got, the highest he went was 230 twice.
That's not bad. 230.
So crazy. Shooting a video to market Forex signals. This is how you make the fine back in a day.
Yeah, he pays his profits to the police.
Yeah. Now 40,000 in fines, are you mad?
You know how much you can do with $40,000 account? Oh my god.
Yeah, bro. Mad things. That's what you can do with that.
You can pull a Roger. 50K to $1 million.
Yeah,
yeah,
6
we
months.
just did that, innit? Yeah.
But that's not as crazy as 100 to the second photo you sent me. that was even better. Shaz, you don't even want to know, that was even way more than that. That's like, wait, let me calculate that.
And you can see my balance is the same.
You know how much percent that is, fam? You know how much percent that is?
A lot.
Oh my god.
How much?
Like 17.
17%?
Damn.
Way more than 17%. 17,000%.
I was like, what the hell?
Yeah, way more than that. Fuck, my calculator. Yeah, that's like 100, like 17,000%.
There you go.
That's mad. 70,000%.
Just times 170. That's
A
mad.
million account. Imagine having $1 million account.
Yeah, and doing that. Okay, now. that would be fucking crazy, man. That would be easy. 100 mil.
If not more.
Yeah, bro. You see that these open positions are even crazier.
I'm mad that I closed my actual position. I had a position at 1830.
yeah, I remember that. Where did you close that?
I closed that at 1730.
Damn. Did you get those 1778 positions? Did you get them in on the NFP pull up?
I think so. It was last week.
Yeah, probably.
because I had limits. All I do is limits, you guys. Like I don't physically
Yeah.
look at the chart. All I do is put limits in, and
No stop loss and just go.
if it hits it, it hits it.
Yeah, I need to grow some balls as well.
Now you got balls, but the thing is that you just keep looking at the screen, right? You keep looking at it. That's all about. That's that. If I keep looking at the screen, I'll probably close out. Because like when you first enter the trade, it's the hardest because like
Yeah.
it's next to your entry. You know, you got 10 pips, blah blah. You know, and you're like, oh, should I close? Should I not close? But if you just like put your limits in and just like let it go, and you wake up, you're like, oh shit.
Oh shit! I did that when I was beginning with trading. My first account, I also flipped that pretty well. And I just got in like at night, get in position, and then just leave, go to sleep, and then wake up with good profit. That was right here, AJ.
Where?
Here. Somewhere.
That's when you. That's when you entered.
Yeah.
It's all good.
Facts.
Yeah, this would have been the best entry if you missed this initial drop right here. This would have been the best one because you broke structure here, you broke retest.
Yeah, it just faked everyone out. If you also look on the time frame, first it took all these sellers here with the sell stops, then took all the buy stops in, and then dumped down. You can see London Open got the better price to continue moving down.
You see that quite often, man.
Yeah, I see it every time.
yeah,
That's
for
why I'm
sure.
looking at it. Every time I look at London Open, I know most of the time, that's why these first sells I had first sells sitting somewhere over here, which got out break even, which was way too low. I should have been selling over here. But I saw it go, so I was like, let's do it anyways. They got tapped out because most of the time before pretty much that London Open, they're just gonna fake price out multiple times. So here you got the first fake out, second fake out, and then London Open, the actual drop.
Yeah, but with London Open, it did that push up.
Yeah, just before London Open. Look, okay, yeah, this candle pretty much here.
This
This
candle was London Open.
Yeah, pretty much, yeah. Yeah, because it opened over here, yeah. Yeah, it happens every time.
Yeah. You can even look at it on the 1 minute, you'll see it clear. The 1 minute pushed up. You see, look at London Open with the 1 minute.
Yeah. Even on the 1 minute,
1 minute.
clear entries. Really clear entries. You got that from that 1 minute highs right here somewhere. Like 50 pips.
Yeah.
4 pips.
So I was chilling with a couple of friends the other day.
Yeah.
And they were like, yo, you should sign up to be an Uber driver. And I was like, why? They're like, yo, there's a lot of bitches or whatever. There's a lot of girls. I was like, nah, man, I'm good. Fuck that. They're like, all right, just sign up and I'll drive your car or whatever.
What the hell?
I was like, okay, whatever, right? So I signed up or whatever, got approved or whatever real quick, blah, blah. Well, then like 30 minutes, I got approved to be Uber driver. And I have my car. So they're like, all right, like open it up, right? So I open it up, automatically got a request. right? Uber Black, because like my car is whatever. So like
Yeah.
it's a fancier car, so you get Uber Black. So like I was like, I'm not going. Like, I'm not gonna go. You guys can take my car. And
Yeah.
go. So one of the guys like he went and took the car, and he literally came back after an hour. And he was like, "Yo, man, you need to fucking do this shit." I was like, "Why? What happened?" He was like, "Yo, I got some 2 girls, the badass girls." I was like, and then he was like, "I got their numbers," and I was like, "Damn."
Obviously, because you're a
I got
fucking Uber
married
driver.
too early.
Man, you're looking
So
for
now
new wives, fam. What the fuck? They were looking for the extra 3 wives. Damn. I think you automatically get their phone number. Hey, AJ?
Oh, sorry, but I was saying like he's calling me right now, asking me for my car.
Your whip.
Yeah. But he was telling me, he was like, apparently the girls were flirting with him, and like when he came back, like he was texting the girls, and the girls were like texting him pictures, like naked pictures or whatever, and I was like, damn, it's like that.
I didn't think it rolled like that down where you are, man.
But bro,
Oh no, it does. Like you don't know,
Yeah.
it's freak. Girls are freaks over here.
like,
I'm
does he
coming.
not have a whip himself? What does he drive?
He has a whip, but he has like an accent, like a Hyundai.
Oh shit. Yeah, they don't like that.
You drive a, you drive a Velar, right? AJ.
What is it?
You drive a Velar, do you?
Yeah, that's my daily. Yeah.
You daily, yeah. Well, what's your?
What's that other car called again? That cheap one that looks pretty good. That BMW like.
Oh, jelly.
BMW Jelly.
No, it's a jelly car.
No,
Japanese
you
car.
jelly.
I was gonna say, I never heard that.
No, it's pretty sick. Yeah, Gilly. Jelly. Yeah, Shes, look at this. Look, this is that brand. It's pretty sick. You got
I
some.
gave it to the driver. I gave that to the driver.
You gave it
So you
away.
can drive it. I gave it to the driver. I was
Yeah.
like, you can drive this car around.
You got that Tugela, right?
I don't know which one it was. Let me check. It was the one that was like 60K. Reals, not
Yeah.
dollars.
That's really cheap, right?
Yeah.
How could
That's
it be
around.
Can you buy those in Dubai as well?
Yeah. You're talking about $16,000 for like a brand new car, fully loaded, that looks like a BMW.
Pretty much. Pretty much the same. Well, they even call it BMW gearbox, fam. Straight DCT. Fuck.
Tugala. That's what it is.
Yeah, I see it here.
Oh, Tagala, yeah, it does look like the X5.
Exactly.
More like X6, right? Because it's a
it
coupe
does,
vibe.
yeah.
But how like you also got like some minor cars. They should be like 10 grand, right?
Oh, there's cheaper cars, yeah. But that's like the high end one.
Yeah. You also got the Qingyu L. That's pretty sick as well.
It's a nice car, man.
Yeah, it's a very nice car.
Fully loaded. It's fully loaded. That's
2-cylinder turbo engine, and it's like that Golf GTI thing.
Yeah. Have you got the sky roof of it as well, AJ?
fully loaded.
Yeah.
They come standard fully loaded, right?
I think so. Here, so the thing is, where the dealerships are the ones that decide what cars they bring in, right? So
Yeah.
if the dealership brings in them fully loaded, then the only cars that are going to be available are the ones that are fully loaded.
Mm.
Like for
What kind
example,
of-
like my Range Rover, when I bought it, it didn't have Apple Play, right? It didn't have the Apple CarPlay or whatever.
Oh, you can just add that by company.
Yes, but the standard whatever that the cars that they brought didn't have that option. So like the year that I bought the car, 2009, all the cars that were brought to Saudi didn't have CarPlay, and I was like, what the
All
fuck?
of them. Why?
Like every single car, because the owner of the dealership, like they're the ones that bringing the car in. They give you
Just
the
didn't
specific
tap
specs.
that. Wow.
They
They're
didn't bring the
fucking
spec.
stupid.
Exactly. So I literally had to like pay an extra fee for them to install it, and it took them like 2 days to do, because it's like a software thing. And I was like, "You guys are so fucking stupid." Like,
Bro, that's stupid. 2
fucking,
days. Are you mad? You
yeah.
call someone up, it's done in 30 minutes. I'm telling you.
No, so apparently the type of car that I have, or whatever, the software of the engine or whatever is different. So
Yeah, but they only have to put in like a small thing. Like there's a lot of cars here without Apple CarPlay. You just go to this guy, and he fixes it in like 30 minutes. 30
yeah,
minutes.
so like I call people that do that stuff here. If they don't have the software code or the actual program, they're not able to do it.
Yeah, that's true. That's true.
Yeah.
There needs to be one guy that did it.
Yep.
If one guy did it, everyone can do it.
Exactly.
Same as the BMW, like the 3 Series, the new 3 Series, they had like the new BMW 3 Series, they had a very very hard ECU to crack. Like the computer was
Exactly. Yeah.
really
But
hard to crack.
my whole thing was that, like, I was like, dude, Toyota and fucking like Nissan and these shit cars, right? Not shit cars, but like, they have it.
What you saying, man? I'd rather fucking Toyota, bro.
You know what I mean, bro? Like Toyota, like not as high end. All right.
Yeah, but it's stable, bro. It doesn't break.
It doesn't break. That's true. Toyotas do not break. Even Lexus, they don't break.
Yeah.
Most reliable car, man.
Yeah.
Yeah. But what was it called? So like they have it, and I was like, you guys are like Range Rover. Like, how the fuck don't y'all have like CarPlay? Like, that's like a necessity nowadays.
Yeah, mad. Like Toyota standard, I think. My car has
Every car now
standard.
has it. Like, standard type of thing. Like, it just has it. Even Android, whatever you want to call it. What's that thing?
Android Auto.
Yeah.
Android Auto, yeah. Crazy. I do like the Toyota Avalon. That's pretty sick, though. You can't buy those over here.
Why not?
The 3.5 liters. I think it's has to do with the engine. They're not expensive. They're like 150, 100, like the fully option. I think it's like 150,000 dirhams. So.
Do you guys have that Nissan Patrol?
Yes, but very rarely, like nearly not any, because you pay for Nissan Patrol. Let me see how much you pay for a Nissan Patrol. Like really, really expensive. Same as a Land Cruiser. Same Nissan Patrol. Wait, let me find a Nissan dealer here. Models. Oh no, we can only get an X-Trail. Can't even get the Patrol anymore. So.
What if you ship it? Like, what if you buy it from somewhere else and bring it over?
You pay lots of BPM. They need like a certain guy to get you look at the car and say it's like totaled, and even though it's not, and then you can get it in for cheaper. But then you also have a total thing on yours, you know.
You gotta pay tax or whatever.
Yeah, a lot of BPM. It's like car tax. It's really really high. I think for like the difference, Toyota. I know Toyota. Bye. What's the difference? Let's see, models.
The new ones look really nice, man.
What?
Nissan Patrol.
Yeah.
Oh, the patrols, yeah. It's in the Middle East. Like, it's like exploded over here. It's everywhere.
Yeah.
If you go to Dubai, patrols are everywhere.
Oh, look good. We've got the old school ones in the UK. I haven't seen these new ones on the road yet.
Let's see. How much is 180? It was like 40. It's pretty cheap.
Even the Lexus, like the Lexus is the LXs, the Lexus LX. Like I would never buy that. I don't understand this price.
What?
It's over here. It's like $500,000 reals here. So you're talking about the LX, the Lexus LX, the big one.
Why is it so expensive?
That's how much it is.
You can see here, Camry hybrid in the Netherlands, it's like 42,000, and it's has less options than the one in Dubai. And if you convert that to the money over here, because that's the one I clicked on over here is already like a better model. It's like difference, big difference. Let's see, what is it? Yeah, the one in here in the Netherlands is like 42, and the one in Dubai is like 28 euros. It's a pretty big difference, especially with the fact that you only have 2 of them here. My days, pay way too much. But yeah, guys, I gotta go. I'm gonna be there tomorrow again for the.
Before you go,
Yeah.
AJ, can I ask a question? You know, 1756. Well, let's say 1757 flat on a 4-hour. Is that an order block? Them 2 down candles and then the bullish candle. Has he gone? What would you say, Luke? Would you say that's an order block?
What is?
It
No,
is there,
before.
but I don't think it's that strong because we're continuing bearish momentum very soon. And you know, when price is bearish, you're only going to be looking at those order blocks that are continuing price moving further down, in my opinion.
All right, okay.
But AJ,
Exactly. So like Luke said it really good, right? So like you wanna, whenever you're looking for order blocks, right, you want to go with the trend,
Right.
right? So if you find an order block that's bearish but the trend is bullish, you're most likely gonna get screwed,
All right.
right?
Okay.
Because the trend is bullish, right? So why would you look for a bearish order block?
Got it. Yeah, makes sense. Makes sense. Thanks for that.
The only way that I would look for something like that if we get a break of structure. So like if we're in a downtrend, for example, and then an order block is created, and if we break structure to the upside, that'll be the only way that I would look for buys.
Right. Okay. Okay. I've been studying ICT like mad. I found the whole year's mentorship, and I've been going through it, and it's absolutely crazy. That guy's mad.
Yeah.
it's a mad team. But yeah, I'm gonna end the stream. Thank you guys. I'll see you guys tomorrow morning. Yep. Don't overtrade, don't over-risk. If you're on yourselves, hold the thing. And I'll see you guys later. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We only have 48 likes, and we had over 200 people. Over 200 people. So those are absolute rookie numbers. Also, make sure to subscribe and put on that bell notification to know when I'm going live. Thank you guys. Bye-bye.